True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today guys, I am in Manchester. Yeah man, I'm playing some kind of content in Manchester. When I go down like close to Windalco area, it's like the water does a rise after the storm Melissa. I don't know what's happening here, but I will give you all an update. I don't know how long would this take to draw, but I will give you all some update what is taking place in this area. Alright? Yeah man, so I'm showing you what I'm going down there, you know? Whole heap of water in that place. Yeah man, so you have people like vendors selling stuff here. Yeah man, after this storm you see all the debris. Yeah man, a beer water over the common over there, so go back to the Windalco section. I know Windalco have a water system over there, so I don't know if it's coming from that side. So look at it my people and leave in the comment section if you're from this area and you know something about this. Can you please leave in the comment section what you know about this area? So we have some elderly person, you know. Them know about us, them know about this area, you know. Yeah man, them say it right same way. Yeah man, they can see what I'm going. Yeah man, see all the people them are travel to Manchester. So now have to be careful if you not come that side here. Way up on the top there, man. Up at the Windalco gate, a beer water. Beer water does come. So I don't know exactly where I'm going and when this I go job.
With bed and sit with the depot on top of it. I'm going to take a tall house. I'm picking up your bed. I don't know that our church, our church, everything also covered. You want to hear them about God?
Man, I see that? I see I go out for the black hair, though? Yeah man, cool. Yeah man, so you see them block off the area, same way.
Right here. Look at that.
So this is something new in Manchester. Oh me I say Windalco one big water something about Windalco there. The things over there side that come from up top. What side there? man, I'm more than waterfall of Manchester this man. So my people no see what go on. I don't know normal in Manchester. Manchester in the Windalco area. I don't know normal. I don't know when this is going to stop. This would be an ongoing thing. So I will say Manchester have a river here, so right near to the Windalco area. So I gotta keep you all updated, and show you what I go on. Yeah man. Yeah man, so I go on and my people go through all the fence. Water come through. Yeah man, pure water my people, water like crazy. Yeah man, so I don't know. I keep on the update. Power go on to Jamaica. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Anyone there, big up on yourself. And I don't know. St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, couple more parish. You know, say get hit by Melissa. So we have to stay strong and rise again, you know. So we do it. We love the beautiful island Jamaica. I know I tour Jamaica, so I know say we love Jamaica. Gone to the dirt. So big up on yourself anyway now watch out. Yeah man, you can see they run the caution tape. Be careful. Very careful. Very careful. Caution tape set right here so.
Look later.
Legally or illegally?
Yeah.
Yeah man, so I go on there.
Hey.
So people from all boats, come to see the scene, all over the place they come to see the scene. Yeah man, so remember, like, share and subscribe to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.